This is going to be a quick update video on the Miata rebuild situation. As you can see, I went and painted my engine bay, mostly, I did my best. Used the same Rust-Oleum yellow that I used for the car. I took my engine, disassembled it, took it to the machine shop. They said I did have to bore it out, so we bored it out. It's a 1.62 liter, no big deal. We've got the coolant reroute kit from IL Motorsport. It comes with this nice bracket, bunch of nice shiny metal bits and bobs. It's very cool. I got Wiseco forged pistons, which is exciting. So we're gonna make the big power. Not really though. But yeah, this guy, as you can see, it's fully reassembled. I even got my alternator, my powered steering slapped on it. It's ready to go in. Now, why is it not in yet? We just need I'm missing the nut that goes on this one. I've got this one, you can't see it. And then these 3 bolts for each side, so 6 bolts. I'm not sure, I lost them. We moved and I lost them. But once I get replacement nut and bolts and some other little parts, we'll get the engine crane, we'll get started. I've got, new clutch and flywheel and everything, I got the Fidenza, 7-pound, 6-ounce flywheel that I've been using before. I love it, it's amazing. That's about it. The plans are, I'm gonna get the cherry picker or engine hoist or crane, depending on which, region you're from, I guess. And we're gonna lower this bad boy in, connect a bunch of wires and hoses and whatnot, and then start it, maybe. One more piece of the project, I had this fuel leak. I couldn't figure out where it was coming from. So we dropped the fuel tank and put a fuel tank from a 1.8 Miata in. So that should be all set, hopefully. So we'll get this in, and then maybe when I start it for the first time, I'll make another video. And then maybe months later, when it's time to make a squirt or whatever I do, I'll make another video. Or maybe I won't, because nobody seems to watch these. But that's all. Thanks for stopping by. See ya.